How to cancel an Amazon order before it ships. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on this video we will learn how we can cancel an Amazon order before it ships. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, you have to open up the Amazon application in your device. Make sure that you're signing into your account. So once you're on your home page, now you have to head over to your orders tab. For that, tap on your profile from the menu bar at the bottom. That's gonna take you to your profile. On your profile, tap on orders. That's gonna take you to the orders tab where you can find all of your orders. Now, once you're here, you have to find the order that you want to cancel. So search for the order, but that order must have the option or the status as not yet shipped. So make sure or ensure that your order has a label as not yet shipped, and if the label or if the order has the status, then you could only cancel your order. And if that's your case, or if you could find not yet shipped under your order, then you have to tap or click on cancel items next to the order. Then check the box next to the items that you want to cancel. Tap on cancel selected items at the bottom. Then you will see a confirmation message and Amazon will send you a confirmation or the cancellation email as well. But make sure that you could only cancel the item if the order has not been shipped yet. If it's already shipped, then you will need to request a return instead. So that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.